Bonnie at Super String Studio and the Royal String Teacher Association. And for this Freaky Friday message, I just want to say that is there anything with your instrument or bow that needs attending? I think that that's something that we often neglect or postpone unnecessarily. And, I'm saying this because recently I had my violin worked on, and, well, it's a Baroque violin, so I've always had the problem of strings being too high and tension in the strings, and recently was playing on it, and I just got sick of it. I finally just said, I'm not playing like this anymore. I'm not going to take it. I'm going to get it checked and see what can be done. Actually, I knew what could be done, but I never really wanted to do it because it involves making the fingerboard higher. And so I did have that done by Samuel Shen, and wow, the difference for me, I don't know. I wish I had done this 20 years ago, but to be honest, at that time I didn't have the money and I didn't have the, I don't know, I wasn't persistent enough, or I wasn't able to make that decision at that time. Well, if there's any decision like that that you need to make in your playing with your instrument and your equipment, well, I encourage you to make the decision faster than I did, because wow, it's a completely different experience now. And I'm so happy to play this violin. I was always happy to play it, but now it's like, I don't know, 1,000 times different, better. And I hope that I can encourage you to take action on whatever maintenance you need to do, whether it's a bow hair or some kind of repair that you need to do on your instrument. Do it. Happy New Year, everyone.